Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 plate Audi A3. Now this is the sports model. It's a 5-door Sportback finished in the lovely Ibis white paintwork. The car itself is in superb order. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. So let's have a look around it. So we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash. Now, being a 67 plate, this is a facelift car, so you get the updated front and rear bumpers, nice headlamps. Now, on the sport models, you get a lot of bright silver detailing, so in the centre grille, on your side mouldings, you've got bright silver detailing on your window surrounds, and then alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 17-inch sparkle silver 5-spoke wheels. Now, all 4 wheels are in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. Coming through to the back, we've got parking sensors. Just to give you an idea of the type of person who owned the vehicle, looking through to the boot, you've got a nice loading liner, so obviously this protects your carpet in the back. So as you can tell, that's in absolutely fantastic order. We've got split folding rear seats, we've got the parcel shelf present. Under all of this you'll find your space saver spur wheel with the kit to change it, which is a lovely thing to have. Most of these newer cars all come with tyre inflation kits. For me, a space saver spur wheel is just peace of mind. Now, looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. This is a very nice example indeed. And then inside is a full ebony black cloth sports seat. So in the centres you get a lovely pattern, light grey pattern. Looking at the actual bolsters, the seat base, those are all in superb order. It doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. Rear seats look like they've barely been sat in. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Comfortable seating for 3. You've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Now, stepping inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here you've got your voice command, you've got your Bluetooth phone volume and media controls. We've got automatic lights just down there. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got automatic wipers as well. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 39,380 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the center display, nice screen on these. So press of a button and that can fold away into the dashboard. Press it again, when you start the car up, it pops out like so. So lots of features on these cars, so we'll just zoom in there. So pressing on car, you've got all your different drive selects, so you've got dynamic, auto, comfort. Now when you flick through the different individual modes, you can definitely feel a difference in drive. Sound, so you can adjust the bass, the treble. Radio is obviously a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got your multimedia there as well, full Bluetooth phone. Satellite navigation on the car, which is a rare feature on these vehicles. A lot of them do come with a pre-wire, but not all of them have the Sat Nav SD card. Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface, and then you've got your settings there as well. But the whole system is super easy to navigate. Coming down then, you'll find your dual zone climate control, so the passenger, you can have a different climate to the driver. You've got the shortcut buttons for your drive select, traction control, and so on. Central cup holders, 12-volt power outlets just above those. 6-speed manual transmission, absolute delight going through that gearbox. You've got your volume controls, center scroll wheel for the display, and then obviously you've got the little tabs which allow you to quickly navigate through the system. Electric parking brake, central armrest is in superb condition, so there's no signs of any sort of cloth wearing away. You've got 2 USB ports and an aux input, and then this lovely sort of brushed aluminium detailing inside. But a lovely thing, everything which was supplied with the car from new is with the car there today. So the locking wheel nuts in the glove box, the book pack is still present. Nice service history on the car as well, so if you have a flick through the photos, I have pictured the service book, or the service sheet I should say. And then obviously before the car comes to you, all of our vehicles go through a full 128-point pre-delivery inspection. From there, if it needs anything further, so servicing, MOT, we sort all that as well. And then all of our cars come with a warranty. So, if you'd like any further information on the car, if you'd like a part exchange price, some monthly figures, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.